I, Dr. Kapil Govil, welcome you in this video. This video is tutorial number 21 of data structure series. In this video, we will discuss about stack. For understanding stack, we are taking some example. We are taking some real life example. Like, suppose you purchase packet of bread from market, and there are some pieces, bread slices, like this. These are some slices, and this packet can be opened from this end, top end or bottom end. You are free to select any one side, either this or this. If you are opening this bread packet from this end, then it will be reversed. Then this end will be called as top, and this will be in the bottom section. Then that will be called as bottom. So what you do, you open from one end, and if you want to take two slices, then you pull two slices from this end, like this end. And suppose you are not interested to eat one slice, then what you do, you will put the same slice into this end. So what will happen, you are taking bread slices from this end, means top, and you are inserting all the elements from elements means slice, bread slices from the same end. Example number 1. Example number 2. Suppose you are going to some birthday party or marriage party, and some one table is there and some plates are there, dinner plates are there, like this, and you have to take one plate. What you will do, you will take this plate. You will not take any this plate or any this. You will not pull any last plate. You will pull this side of plate. So what is the structure of this? This will be called as top, and this will be called as bottom. If you have to select two plates, then you will select from top first and second. You will not select from anywhere or at the last. Suppose you have to insert any plate or return back any plate, then what you will do? You will insert from the top section. Example number 2. And third is, I hope you have heard about some candy like Polo or Poppins, like this. Polo candy or Poppins. I'm sure that you have heard about these candies. So what you do, you open from this end and you take 1 or 2 or 3 candy, whatever you want. And if you are not interested to take 2 or 3 second or third Polo or candy, then you will insert the end from the same end. This is example number 3. And we can take another example of bangles. Ladies wear bangles in their hand. So what they do, they wear one bangle, like one side, then another bangle, then third bangle, then fourth bangle, and then fifth bangle. And if they have to remove their bangle, then first from the top section, this will be called as top section, and this will be called as bottom section. So from top they are inserting, and from top they are removing. This is the real life example. So I hope these 4 examples are now clear to you what are stack in real life. Now, why stack is required in data structure? Suppose you have to arrange some data and you have to restrict that whatever data is inserted at the last should be pulled out, should be removed or used. So if arrangement of data is like that whatever data you have inserted at first will be at the last for extraction, and whatever data is inserted at the last will be extracted for first. So this arrangement will be called as stack in data structure. So 2 operations are there. If you are pulling some data, if you are extracting some data, then that step will be called as pop. This operation will be called as pop, and if you are inserting any data, then that operation will be called as push. So I hope these examples are now clear to you, and of course we will code for stack in later on videos. This was just introduction of stack. So I hope these topics are clear to you, and one small request to you: if you are watching this video on YouTube channel, then please subscribe this channel, and if you are watching this video on Facebook page, then please follow this page. So thanks for liking, sharing and watching this video. Thanks a lot.